Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. I am also very well. I cannot go out due to the rain because it is raining every day at a stress, and I am not getting any moment to come out and make videos. And you can see now the nature is looking very beautiful because of rain, because all the dirt and dust have been rinsed due to the rain water from the leaves, and for this reason they are looking fresh and live. Okay, so if I take my camera into this, you can see mud is everywhere and there is no path which is dry and on which we can walk. Okay, so this is the situation, and for this I am not getting any place to go and make videos. So you can see, as it is raining at a stress for long days, the plants have been grown and they have captured our path to walk. Okay, so this is the situation of a village. If you live in a city, you cannot imagine that situation. If you live in a village, you can get the situation. Okay, so a bad smell is coming. I feel that a bad smell is coming. I think there is poultry farm, and I hope there many poultry have died, and for this reason the bad smell is coming from that. So I will not go there. I will go there. Just look at this. This is watery, and you can see sometimes it feels good to walk in water, but these water are not safe because as it is beside the poultry farm, many insects or chemical may be mixed in the water. So I will pass this quickly. I have decided that today's video will be 5 to 7 minutes long because I have taken a challenge that I will talk in English at a stress 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so I am walking and talking, and I think this way is very good way to learn English, because when you are walking your brain remains active and you can gain the fluency and you can express your feelings by the vocabulary very easily. Okay, so I will show you in front of me. You can see there are watery path and I have to pass it by walking. After passing it, you will get a good green land. Okay, I don't know who is walking the bamboo tree. Now see, it's fully green as it is raining every day and no cattle are come here, and no cattle are coming here for grazing. For this reason the grass are live and looking green. Okay, so it is about 4 minutes. I will talk more than 5 minutes inshallah today. So I will show you the poultry farm. It is quite big and about 1000 poultry are grown in the farm. Sometimes many poultry die, and for this reason the smell is coming. Sometimes they buried the died poultry in the ground, and sometimes they keep them on the ground. So the poultry which are dead and kept on the ground are coming smell from them. I think Okay, here you can see a mango tree and a palm tree, and there are many nest of weaver birds on the palm tree. I will show you. Just wait, just give me a chance to pass the water here. See, there are many nest of weaver birds and they are chirping. If you get attention, you can hear their chirping, and their chirping is quite loud. So if you get attention, you can hear their chirping. Okay, this is the place where I make videos every day, but this place is also watery. I am not getting the chance to go there. So it's about 6 minutes and I have practiced today 6 minutes speaking English. For this, I hope I have completed today's practicing session. You can see there is mud because when I am walking, the mud has come here. You can see. Okay, so this is the situation of a village area. Who lives in town or city, they cannot imagine how bad the area of village in rainy day, especially because everywhere muddy and watery. You will not get chance to walk freely. Okay, so no more today. Today I have completed my challenge. I have talked about 7 minutes in English. So keep practicing like that. Take challenge that I will talk 7 minutes or 10 minutes. I will make conversation 5 minutes at a stretch. This is how you can be fluent in English, and this process will help you to internalize the sentence structure and the vocabulary, because at the first time you will not get exact vocabulary to describe your feelings, to describe your environment and around you. But when you will maintain consistency, then this problem will be removed. So no more today. I will see you in another video in another day. Thanks for today's video.